pagmamahalan upang ang pagtatalim puso na ito ay maging grasya na rin para sa simbahan, dahil alam naman natin na walang ibang layunin ang pagtatalim puso ng dalawang nagmamahalan, kundi magbuno ito sa pamagitan ng mga supling na darating sa kanilang gagawing pamilya, sa kanilang tahanan.
We are surrounded by all of these lies and people that talk too much.
Yung first impression ko kay RB ay mabait, napakasipag, at dedicated in life. He's very passionate.
I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love.
I honestly thought that love at first sight was something that's not real, fake, something that only happens in movies or fairy tales. I don't know. But during that time, when I first saw you, suddenly everything stopped. My brain shut down, my heart panicked, and I knew in that moment that I was already in trouble.
The voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath.
Going to stand in front of everyone, proving that even the most impossible things can actually happen. From our non-stop food trip to our road trips that turn into unexpected adventures, life with you has never been boring. You made ordinary days exciting and simple moments unforgettable.
So in love, so in love.
Kapag tapat kayo sa pagmamahal ninyo sa Diyos na siyang una ninyong minahal, ay patuloy rin ang inyong pananalig, pagtitiwala at katapatan sa bawat isa.
Darling, Lumiere over me.
Hi RB! I'll see you later. Let's celebrate our 6-year anniversary with our vows and I do's. See you later!
Over me.
Sa araw na ito, ipinagbuklod bilang mag-asawa sina RB Lander at Rachel Agnes sa pamagitan ng panalangin ng Diyos upang ang kanilang pag-ibigan at pagtatalim puso ay maging hanggang sa wakas ang kanilang sariling panahon sa mundong ito.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love.
I promise to choose you in every season, to walk beside you in every journey, and to love you even on the days when life feels heavy. You are the one I once thought was impossible, the one I prayed for without knowing it, and the one my heart has always been waiting for. You are my one and only, you are my home, and loving you now and forever will always be my greatest joy.
Ang pinag-isa ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng pag-iwalayin ng tao dahil ito ay banal sa mga mata ng Diyos. At sana mabiniyong kalimutan na kayo ay pinag-isa sa pamagitan ng sakramento ng pagtataling puso at ang bawat gawain ninyo bilang isang mag-asawa ay para sa inyo lamang, eksklusibo para sa inyo lamang.
Umuwi ka lang sa akin, lungkot at galit pahupain. Umuwi ka lang sa akin,
promise to love and support you, and I vow to take care of you. And I'll take care of myself too so I could love you longer. I thank God for you. I love you and I'm excited to spend the rest of our lives together. You have my heart and my soul forever.